Hi angels, good morning. How my ladies doing? It's Lvluxegirl back again with another video. So this morning I'm at the park, you guys. I'm enjoying this beautiful day. We had some hot weather, but right now the weather's a little bit nicer. So I wanted to do my Kurt Geiger collection, my Kurt Geiger bag collection. If that's something that you're interested in, go ahead, hit that like button. Hit that like button and that subscribe button right now. What are you waiting on? Go ahead, hit the like and subscribe, as well as hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime whenever I upload. So yeah, let's go ahead, let's get started. Let's jump right in. We're talking about some of these lovely Kurt Geiger bags. So I wanted to start off the collection with this lovely bag right here. This is my Kurt Geiger Kensington mini transparent bag. So this is the mini transparent bag by Kurt Geiger in the color yellow, and it's such a beautiful bag. I am at the park, so you might hear a few other sounds in the background, but this is the mini transparent Kensington Kurt Geiger bag. It's a very, very cute bag. It's always so cute to wear in the summertime. I get a lot of compliments anytime whenever I wear this bag. And she has the silver hardware. It's like a gunmetal silver hardware. The other one that I have that's very similar to this one has gold hardware, and here it is right here. It's in a beautiful, lovely green color, and this one has the gold hardware. So I ended up purchasing the Kurt Geiger bags in both of these lovely hardwares, both of the colors. One is gold and one is in the lovely like a gunmetal hardware. And the mini Kensingtons are so cute to have. They look like jelly bags, you guys. So since we are talking about these two lovely bags, I wanted to give you the dimensions of them. So the mini Kensington is going to be about, I would say about 7.5 inches long in length and about 5 inches tall. So she's about 7.5 inches long and 5 inches tall. And then as far as width, how much she can hold width-wise, she is about 3 inches wide. So this distance right here is about 3 inches wide. So 7.5 inches long by 5 inches tall by 3 inches wide. Now I will say that although the Kensingtons are very small and very little, if you think these are very little, then I wanted to talk about one more Kurt Geiger bag in my collection that's even smaller than the Kensingtons, you guys. So I also have this lovely beauty right here, and this is the Rainbow bag by Kurt Geiger, the Rainbow Shop bag, the Kensington Rainbow bag. And I absolutely love this little cutie in my collection. However, she really does not hold very much. What I liked about her is she's in the matte black hardware. So her strap is in a matte black finish. Very beautiful. It's a very beautiful bag. I love the rainbow design in the rhinestones that you get in that rainbow pattern. However, this Rainbow Kurt Geiger bag is even smaller than the mini Kensington jelly transparent bag. So I don't know if you're going to be able to see, but you can see the difference in the width right there, where the transparent bag is about 3 inches wide, and then the rainbow bag is about maybe 1.5 inches to 2 inches wide. So it's a much more narrow bag, and it really doesn't hold a lot, this rainbow bag, but it didn't make a difference to me because the bag is just so doggone cute, you guys, that I absolutely love her in my collection. And once again, she gets a lot of compliments anytime I wear her out. And the last and final Kurt Geiger bag that I have in my collection is the lovely Brixton. So this is the Kurt Geiger Brixton bag. Let me go ahead and move the Kensington over. So this is the Kurt Geiger Brixton bag, and I do love this bag. I love the gold tone hardware. She can carry a lot. She's much larger than the mini Kensingtons. I love the pattern on her. I do wish that I had the eagle head as opposed to the plate on this one, but she is a very nice bag as well. She's larger. She's more of a medium size as opposed to the smaller 3 bags that I just showed you. There was another Kurt Geiger bag that I tried to order from Nordstrom. I wanted to add one more to my collection, and I'll go ahead and insert a picture. It was so beautiful. It had a bow at the top of the bag, and kind of like my Betsy Johnson makeup case right here has this bow. The Kurt Geiger bag had a lovely bow. It was quilted and it had a bow at the top of the bag. So cute. I'll go ahead and insert a picture, but I ordered it and I was waiting for them to deliver my bag, and in about a week and a half, the bag never came. So I went to the 800 number and I called, and to my disappointment, they told me, you guys, that even though I was able to place the order online and it didn't say out of stock online when I ordered it, the bag was out of stock. So I guess it was like down to the last two or the final one, and I ended up ordering it and somebody else beat me to the punch, and so they couldn't deliver the item to me. It was out of stock, so they ended up refunding my money to my credit card. Yeah, so I do have this Brixton. So the dimensions of the Brixton are going to be about, she's about 10 inches long and about 7 inches tall. So she's about 10 inches long and about 7 inches tall. And she doesn't have a back or a rear pocket or anything, but she does have a lot of space on the interior of the bag. So this is what she looks like on the interior, and I do have her stuffed, but this is what she looks like on the interior. And she says Kurt Geiger along the top of the back wall right there. She says Kurt Geiger, and you can go ahead and wear her crossbody. So I just wanted to remind you guys that to enter my giveaway, I'll be giving away these two mini transparent bags. I have a butterfly. I have about 5 of them that I will be giving away. So all you have to do to enter my giveaway is go ahead and like this video, hit subscribe. You have to be subscribed to my channel, as well as hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime whenever I upload, and put enter me in the comments section down below, and I'll be giving away 5 of these little mini jelly bags. They look like mini Kellys, but they're so cute because they reminded me of the Kurt Geiger bags because they are transparent, just much like the Kurt Geiger bags. The little jelly bags that I'll be giving away are transparent bags, and they're so cute because you can take the straps off. These straps are removable, and you can use this on a pochette or on any one of your other bags. You can use the strap, as well as the jelly bags look so cute as just decor, you know, on your dresser or in your bag room. They're just such cute little mini bags. They remind me of those little bags that are so small, like the kind Lizzo was known for rocking at the Grammys and at the Emmy Awards. But these little mini transparent bags, I'll be giving away 5 of them. So make sure you go ahead and enter my giveaway by putting enter me in the comments down below, and like, and you have to be subscribed to the channel. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you really enjoyed my Kurt Geiger bag collection. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my channel for other videos on Kurt Geiger, as well as my playlist. And I'll see you guys again soon in another video.